Hi, and welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be going over the glass screen protector for your DJI Mini 3 Pro receiver. I've been traveling a lot with my drone and receiver, and even though I have the lanyard, which works well, I tend to, sometimes bump it into things, and I told myself, oh, I'm never going to get one of these, and you know what? I did. Great remote. And let's see what we have. I know one of the users out there had mentioned you should script your videos, but great advice. And I did it on a few of them, but you only get one take with this. So there's no script. This is going to be the one take. And I know a lot of you guys, some of you might have screen protectors on your phone, and you know what it's like when you get one take. You get one take and you pray and you hope that a little speck of something doesn't get underneath there. Matte glass screen protector, anti-glare, anti-fingerprint, smooth as silk. Interesting. That should be nice. Hopefully this should open really easily. It's just called glass. That's it. Just no brand. It's not like the Gorilla Glass or this glass and that glass. It's just plain old glass. All right, let's see what we have. We have our typical. Some of you might be familiar with this if you've done it before on your iPhone or other device. You got your alcohol pad. You have a little screenshot thingy you can take to maybe there's a video for the installation guide, or you can watch this, whichever you decide to do. We'll just put that there. And you've got, look, another one. Interesting. We'll put that there. So you've got two alcohol swabs. Oh, nice. So there are two in there, one for now and one for, I don't know, maybe your other remote or down the road. Something might happen. Maybe it's not, some glass protectors come with a warranty and they'll send you a replacement. But in this case, you've got two in there, so you don't need to fill out that warranty card. Let's see what we got. Now we're just going to open this. No need to open it, as you can see. It's just simply in there. All right, look at that. This is the back, and I presume that this is the front. So most likely it would go on. Look at that. Fits really well. There's some space in between. There's like a little bit of a gap, but it's pretty good if you ask me. So we've got that. Should go here. Let's see, that says back. Most likely you peel it, right? And that's probably the part that's going to stick, because not this part, but that part. All right, so let's see. Let's get started. Let's use the cotton swab. Actually, let's leave that there because we don't want to get any dust on it. All right, so we're going to open this up, look inside. So most likely you're just going to have to clean it with the cotton swab. We'll use that first. Nice little rag. Dust sticker. Oh wow, yeah, look at that. You would definitely use a dust sticker. So be careful as you're opening it so that you don't have you don't get little dust particles on there. I'd say this probably isn't the best cloths, because usually most cloths that come with screen protectors do not exfoliate. So this one actually does. That's probably why they threw in the sticker. It's probably cheaper to do that. All right, so let's see. We're going to open up the alcohol swab. Just wipe, right? Let's just wipe. I can smell the alcohol from here, which is a good sign. That means it's working. Let's wipe it. And then what you'll do is you'll use the dust sticker, because there's little dust particles in the air, believe it or not. Oh, and I think I know what the protective film positioning is for. Most likely, right, you would take this and you would stick these, I'm just guessing, right, because this is the part that's not sticking. Take one there, stick it there. Take one there, stick it on that side. Now here's the tricky part. So you probably do like that, right? But the tricky part is, see, little dust just appeared right there. Have a little, depending on how dusty your air is. Interesting. I'll just leave that there. All right, so then what you probably do is you just peel that back, right? Peel it, hold it gently, put that in the side. Double check your screen like I am, because It seems the air in my house is pretty dusty. And then you position it. Now remember, you're only going to get one take, or maybe 2 takes. Hard to tell. I believe. Maybe I'll bring it up some. Nope, that's it. Wow. It's similar to the iPhone experience. I noticed there's a little bit of a gap. See that gap right there? So what I'm probably going to do is lift it up a little bit. There. It's not bad, but a lot of gaps. It's not true to size, but anything is better, right, than nothing. Okay, we'll just move that little speck off. So you only get one take for it to go on, but as you can see, it's not true to size. So what we're gonna do is lift it up. Yep, that works. Okay, so I'm gonna lift it up again and then position it a little bit better, somewhat even, and then we should have a it doesn't come with one, you know, that little thing where you just do that and it lets you push out the little air bubbles, but that's okay, we'll figure it out. All right, we get them out like that. So you just push along, and it's hard to believe that. No, there isn't one. Maybe, nope. Oh, it says just squeeze it on by hand. All right, so let's try it. And once it goes on, we got the air bubbles out of there, which is great. So that one is underneath there. So what we're gonna have to do, lift it up a little bit and put that in there. See? Let's push it, stick it out. There it is. Wow, look at that. So now we got the little specks out. See, all it takes, and now there it is. Voila. So let's turn it on and have a look and see how the screen works out. Yeah, not bad. It's matte. I don't know if that means anything. Let's see how the drone looks. Oh, it's pretty good. It's very crisp. It's very clear. You probably don't see what I see, but in a second you will. It's pretty intuitive. When I press, everything looks good. As you can see, the picture is clear. I'm going to scroll up and see how responsive it is. If I press there, it took a picture. Not bad. We're going to test out the video feature. Video. Okay. And then go back to my screen, select, record. It's pretty good. It's very clear. And now we'll stop the video. And then from there, we will see how responsive it is to the other touch features. Transmission. So it's pretty good. It's very responsive. There's no glare. It's very matte. I guess that's why it's called matte. Has a matte finish. It doesn't. The screen on the LCD here usually has a nice kick to it, but it's sort of like makes it subtle. If that makes any sense to you. I don't know if you see the difference, but most of all and best of all, it actually protects it. So, you know, if you put it down like that, if you put it on here, if you're probably like, oh my God, what's he doing to the remote? That's okay. I have screen protection. So, you know, in that sense, and that can go a long way if you have, you know, objects like this in your car, if you put it down and you're in a hurry, or you have your lanyard on and you have your zipper. That was another thing that was freaking me out, was when it was rubbing against my zipper. You don't have to worry about that anymore. There's a little bit of a slight, you know, spacing, but it's not that noticeable if you use these, you know, those little tab stickers to help guide you through the process. I may have had trouble because I have the camera in front of me. You know, you'll probably have a better experience because you won't be doing a recording at the same time. But either way, even though I give it a B, it works. It's affordable, it's cheap, and I'll leave the link in the description below so that, you know, if you're interested in buying this for your DJI receiver for your Mini 3 Pro, it'll be in the description below. I hope this video helped you and you're able to make a decision when it comes to buying a screen protector for your DJI remote. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you all next time.